Good afternoon, everyone. And I teach you how to make a leaf for the plastic straw, the recycled materials. I teach you how to cut. Okay, the first step we can do is uh, you need to cut like this, and then like this. Okay, and then you need to cut straight. Okay, and then next, same procedure like this. And then cut straight. Okay, and then cut again like this. Okay, and then cut straight. Cut again, same like this. And then cut straight. Okay, and then the last one, so that no wasting straw. So you need to cut one same like this, so that you need make two plastic straw, so you can use as well the two. Okay, one more, cut like this, like that. So make sure, guys, you're cutting same like this. Okay, make it sure the image or the texture of the plastic straw is same like this. If not same like this, your flower straw not really nice and beautiful. But if you follow the procedure, if you follow the steps how to make this your flower plastic straw very creative and very beautiful. So please, guys, follow the step what we doing, and then what we doing for this procedure. Please follow me, guys. Okay, cut straight, and then cut like this, making sure have a small like this. Okay, and then the shape is like that, the image is like that. Okay, okay, so next, do it like this straight, and then same procedure again until the end. Okay, and then do it like slowly but nicely. Okay, do it a same thing as you can, and then cut straight. Okay, do it again. Okay, do it like this again. Okay, you wow, one more, one more straw, cut like this, and then hold like this. Okay, and then your hands like that, and then do it like this, and then cut straight. Okay, like that. One more, so that you know how to make the flower using this plastic straw. Guys, please be careful how you cut properly so that your flower more nicer and more beautiful as well for your eyes and for the eyes of the people that can see this flower. Okay, uh continue. Cut like this again. Until the end. Okay, cut and cut and cut and cut. Okay, you need to finish this one. That's it. Thank you very much, guys, for stay for my channel, and then please support my channel, guys, as well, so that more videos coming. And then please click the notification bell, guys, and then don't forget, guys. Thank you very much for all of you. Because of you, I love to do it like this. Because of you, all of you guys, I love to do it like this as well. So thank you very much. This is all recycled materials. Some of plastic straw, some my friends give it to me, and then some I take to my work in the restaurant, some of the restaurant as well. And then the bottle, they give it to me. My friends give it to me. So thank you very much, guys, for your love and support for these simple things to do. That's I love to do this, and then I love to do it. Thank you very much. We love you, the bottom of my heart. Uh, Thank you very much, guys, for your support. Thank you, thank you. We love you all.